Samsung has finally changed the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra's internals, and things are looking good. Samsung has been concentrating more on the software side and not making major design changes for the previous 3 years, which is why the S22, S23, and S24 Ultra seem identical, but according to recent reports, Samsung is revising the Ultra's design. According to Ice Universe, the middle frame of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is asymmetrical in front and back, with the middle frame near the back cover being more rounded and the part near the screen being straighter. I believe this is Samsung's design, as the feeling of holding the annoying large middle frame has been narrowed, and the width is basically the same as the S24, so the visual bezel will be narrower than the S24 Ultra. According to internal sources, the S25 Ultra will have extremely thin bezels, which is great news. This also means Samsung will use the new display technology, possibly M14, which will boost the pic brightness up to 3000 nits. Aside from the display, the internals of the S22, S23, and S24 Ultras are being updated. According to Ice Universe, and this has been verified previously, Samsung is bringing back the 16 gigs of RAM option on the S25 Extreme. Samsung's cost-cutting policy is a primary reason for not boosting the RAM option on all of these handsets. The reason I said bringing back is because the S21 Ultra already has 16 gigs of RAM option, but keep in mind that this 16 gigs of RAM will be based on storage options, as it will come with 3 storage options, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 TB version, and maybe the 256 with 12 gigs of RAM. 512 and 1 TB versions will see 16 gigs of RAM option. Apart from this, there's some bad news about the battery size of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung has different plans for S25 Ultra. Initially, it was expected that Samsung would go with the stack battery technology, which will increase the battery size by about 10%, allowing Samsung to increase the battery size on the next Galaxy phone up to 5500. However, Ice Universe confirmed that Samsung is going with the same 5000 mAh battery, which is the same as the last couple of years, and the new performance numbers on Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. I'm already concerned about the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery life. There's a reason why firms are already working on larger batteries to keep things up with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, with the smallest they contemplate being 5500. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.